Now we've got an icon on the desktop. We said put a shortcut on the desktop, and here it is over here. GNUPlot, there, my finger's right on top of it. That's GNUPlot. And we can double click that. But first, I like to close other programs I'm not using. So let's close File Explorer. You can always open it again. Close the browser. And then start up GNUPlot. So click on it. I usually click on it once first just to get it highlighted like that. And then double click. Okay, GNUPlot. Okay. So there we go. Now let's see, terminal type is now Windows. All right, so all we have to do, now you see, there's the command line, GNUPlot command line. So what we've got to do, let's find a, I'm unfamiliar with this. So open, let's say open. See where it opens. It gives us a little, this is a Windows Explorer type window. Go down to, okay, I don't have any files to open. But let's go to the program files. Let's see what's in program files too. Because I want to see if there's an example. Demo, okay, there's a demo. No items. Oops. Well, default plot. See if there's anything installed. All files. Oh yeah, there we go. Arrow style dem. Pick a demo that looks circles, cities, complex dash color, density function, ellipse demo, circles, fence plot, finance, Gantt, glass, GNU Valley, heat maps. There are a ton of things in here. Wow, there's a ton of things in here. There are demos. So this has changed quite a bit since I last used it. The new version, this new version, is considerably more. Looking for something that's familiar. Not too complicated because we don't really want to scatter. Let's just open a demo. Simple demo, how about that? Simple demo, we'll see what that's, open that, see what happens. Okay, so there's some simple plots, right? All it does is give plots of sine, atangent, arctangent, and the cosine of the arctangent of some functions. Return to continue, okay. Now, this has generated another window, so let's see what's there. Load simple demo, so that's programs loaded. So we know what works anyway. There, it's generated a simple plot. And that's it. That's all there is to it. I'll show you later, but we'll, instead of just loading a demo like this one, what we'll do is we're actually going to write a program and load a script. That's what I have written, are scripts. And I don't know what their convention in GNUPlot demo. All files. We don't really want a demo. We want a, we don't want a dat file. Dat is just data. That would be BF text exa. Binary file. PNG is these are all demos. Dat, demo, dat, demo. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's open a demo file in Notepad and see what that looks like. Open. Let's see. Let's go to local disk program files 2. GNUPlot. Demo. Docs. All files. Let's pick a small file. Array demo. 3 kilobits. To animate demo. Approximate demo. Airfoil demo is a big file. We don't want that one. 45 kilobytes. Wow, that's a big data file. Box plot. Okay, let's open this one. Box plot demo. Sounds simple. Well, okay, yeah, all it is a, this is a script. Yeah, this is just a script. Same as what I'll do. So a dem is just a script. They're calling them dem files, but all it is just a series of commands which you can enter from the command line. Here, the command line. Here, the GNUPlot command line. You can open that from there. Okay, that's it. That's so it's working. The program's working. So that's it. Program. Close the program and shut the computer down. Shut down. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.